Hi guys, I'm Max Weinbach with XDATV, and today I'm going to be showing you Gcam 7. This is the latest Google camera update for the Pixel series that is meant for the Pixel 4. Now the APK leaked off of one of those 5 pixel units that has been going around, and we were able to get it and install it on the Pixel 3 XL. So let me go show you guys what this is. Let's get started. So this is my Pixel 3 XL with Google Camera version 7.0. Now, it is actually a pretty great update, in my opinion. I know the other guys at XDA are going to hate me for saying this, but I do like it. So, first off, you're going to notice a lot cleaner user interface. There's no more top bar with all the settings, and these options down here were swapped from above the shutter button to below the shutter button. I like this. It feels a little bit more like carousel-like. And you can see here the icons got switched around as well. But for those previous settings I mentioned that used to be at the top, now you just swipe down. Oh yeah, oh, that should work. If you can't tell, this is an incredibly buggy update. There we go. So we can swipe down. I hope you guys do know the reason that is buggy is because this is a dog food build, which means it's meant for Google and internal use only and wasn't meant to be installed on this phone. But you can actually just swipe down here, and now you can access your HDR settings, RAW, motion photos, timer, flash, and aspect ratio. A new, relatively useful mode is actually the aspect ratio. This will fill up the entire, most of the display, and allow you to just take full 16:9 photos. You can see here the bed I am filming on. That takes up most of the display, or you can set it back to the normal 4:3. And when I did install it, it did actually set it over to 16:9 by default. That is honestly it. We have new portrait mode. We have portrait mode. Again, no changes. Night sight, no changes. Video, no changes. And then there's no actual new features. All this is a redesign. This is actually meant for the Pixel 4. The Pixel 4 is going to have 2 cameras on the back. It's going to have a bunch of new modes. It's going to have astrophotography, which means taking pictures of the stars. I like that. It's cool. It'll have 0 shutter lag night sight, so better night sight. Normal camera will likely be improved, even though the main sensor is staying the same. It'll have a single camera at the front, which does seem to be wide and crop in. It'll have motion mode, I believe it's called, which means you'll be able to take pictures of people in movement, and they will be clear, but the background will be blurred for kind of like an action shot. There's a bunch of other stuff coming as well, and that's just what I know off the top of my head in the Pixel 4. But otherwise, this is just a pretty great UI upgrade on this camera. I will link it in the description if you guys want to install it on your Pixel. Do keep in mind, as I showed before, it is definitely a little buggy, and be prepared for some issues. Otherwise, let me know what you guys think of this update, and I'll see you later.